If you've ever published a digital product, printable, or low-content book and watched it get zero sales, this video might save you months of frustration. Because the biggest mistake most people make is not their design, not their pricing, and not even their marketing. It's starting with products nobody is already searching for. Today, I'm reviewing a system called Easy AI Popular Figure Public Domain, and it flips that mistake completely on its head. If you want a shortcut to proven demand instead of guessing what might sell, and you like the idea of using AI plus public domain content legally, this is one of the smarter low-ticket systems I've seen recently. It's not hype, it's a structured shortcut. Easy AI Popular Figure Public Domain is a step-by-step publishing system that shows you how to start with popular public domain figures people already love, pair them with modern trends buyers are actively searching for, and use AI to quickly generate sellable products like printables, low-content books, journals, quote art, POD designs, and more. This is made for beginners who don't want to invent ideas from scratch. Etsy, KDP, POD, or digital product sellers, anyone tired of publishing and hoping something sticks. And it directly solves the biggest objection. I don't know what to create that people actually want. Once you log in, everything is laid out clearly. You start with the core guide, which explains the entire pick and publish framework. First, you learn how to identify high-demand public domain figures instead of random names that don't convert. Then it shows you how to pair those figures with current trends like dark academia, Regency aesthetics, or Gothic themes, so your products feel modern, not outdated. Next, you're walked through using AI the right way, without prompt guessing, to generate ideas, visuals, and collections fast. There's also clear guidance on what's safe to use legally, which is huge because that's where most people mess up with public domain. Everything is designed to help you go from idea to live listing without confusion. There are optional upgrades after the main offer. One focuses on speed, giving you extra templates, prompts, and listing assistance so you can publish faster. Another bundle goes deeper into public domain monetization across platforms, which is useful if you want more long-term leverage. There's also a monthly printable membership for people who want fresh, researched niches handed to them every month. None of these are required to use the main system, but they're there if you want to scale faster. If you use the link below, you'll also get my exclusive App Verdict bonus stack, designed to help you get traffic, conversions, and long-term growth. Here are just some of the bonuses included. Bonus 1, Keyword Research Ninja 2.0. Find buyer intent keywords across Google, Amazon, and YouTube. Bonus 2, Article Analyzer. Optimize your content for search traffic without guesswork. Bonus 3, WP Slideshow Master. Create high-impact visuals that boost engagement on sales pages. Bonus 4, WP Email Timer Plus. Add real urgency inside emails and on pages to increase clicks. Bonus 5, Power List Pro. Build and control your email list with high-converting pop-ups. Bonus 6, Lead Book Generator. Automate lead capture from Facebook lead ads to your autoresponder. Bonus 7, Sales Page Recycler. Reuse sales pages across funnels without rebuilding them. Bonus 8, Auto Support Bot. Add automated chat support to your site without hiring help. Bonus 9, Easy PR Booster. Improve internal linking and SEO signals across your site. Bonus 10, Backlinks Warrior Software. Find quality backlink opportunities to help your pages rank. These bonuses alone are worth far more than the front-end price, and they're only available through the link below. Here's the bottom line. If you keep starting from zero, guessing ideas and hoping something sells, you'll keep getting zero results. Easy AI Popular Figure Public Domain gives you a smarter starting point, built-in recognition, built-in demand, and a clear AI-assisted path to publishing products people already want. This is a limited time launch, and the bonus stack expires soon, so if you're watching this later, they may already be gone. Click the link below now to lock in access and all bonuses before the deadline hits. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want more honest Warrior Plus reviews like this. Remember, once you purchase through the link below, your product access and all bonuses will be delivered instantly. Click the link below, grab your copy, and I'll see you inside.